Ladies and gentlemen, can sexual innuendo be used to target an Olympic medalist who questioned a security lapse that left the Prime Minister vulnerable? That appears to be what happened. But what happened thereafter was even more shocking.
Actor Siddharth, who took on Saina, has now clarified his position. Even that I find preposterous, but questions remain. Is it justified that a woman be subjected to misogynistic abuse merely for voicing her opinion? Here are the developments and then we debate.
On January the 5th, shortly after the Prime Minister's security breach, Saina Nehwal took to Twitter to write that no country can consider itself safe if the security of its own Prime Minister gets compromised. She said that she condemns in the strongest terms the cowardly attack on the Prime Minister by anarchists. In response to Saina Nehwal's tweet, actor Siddharth took to Twitter to resort to commentary that many have called insulting and filled with sexual innuendo.
Now the chairperson of the National Commission for Women has called for action.
Siddharth has now rushed in to say that nothing disrespectful was intended. But Saina Nehwal herself, in an exclusive interaction to Republic, has said that he should have chosen better words and he only did so to get some attention.
Saina Nehwal's father has called for an apology.
First of all, I tell you that I do not know who is this actor, and the word he has spoken is just a hoax. It should have not been spoken in the dignity of a girl. Nobody can say these words.
Prominent Indians are calling out Siddharth. The woke brigade is silent. Twitter has left the actor's account operational, and the unadulterated misogyny is for all to see.
Joining us on this debate is Shaina ANC, Madhuvanti, Karuna Gopal, Syed Abbas and Rahul Eshwar and Vikraman joining us on this broadcast.
Well, was that an attempt at humor or absolute crass tweet? I mean, let me get in Vikraman on this first and then Syed Asad Abbas. Are you going to in any manner seen to be standing with Siddharth on this? Vikraman first.
So if what Mr. Siddharth has tweeted was in his intention, that is highly condemnable. And I, on behalf of our Vidudalai Chiruthaigal Katchi, VCK, I strongly condemn such misogynistic comments on any woman on that matter. Women's modesty must be protected at any cost, no matter whoever it is. We don't support that point at all. If at all that was his intention, that should be strongly condemnable. But at the same time,
Siddharth ke against,
I would,
Siddharth ke support mein?
No, we don't support. We don't support if that was his intention. He has said that in the intention, what that was his intention. We don't support it at all. We are for women. We are for women's modesty, and our party's main principle is to uplift women at any cost. So we don't support that. If that was his intention, I'm repeating it again, that if that was his intention. But I would like to bring one important point.
Shaina ANC, what I find very surprising.
At the same time,
Shaina ANC, if I can bring you in, what I find very surprising is that the usual lobby.
I did not finish it.
You know, Vikraman, let me bring in Shaina ANC also, because what is very surprising, Shaina ANC, is that generally you would see that a lobby would suddenly come up, talk about everything else, criticize several others for their comments, for their alleged comments. But today, we suddenly see this kind of silence when it comes to that very lobby, which does not want to criticize actor Siddharth.
Saina Nehwal and her contribution as a badminton player or even as a woman. Take it plainly as a citizen of India. Now, no nation, if she says, can claim itself to be safe if security of its own prime minister is compromised. And she condemns this in the worst possible ways because she believes this is a cowardly act and that of anarchists, and says that Bharat stands with Mr. Modi. Now, what is so objectionable in her tweet or in her comment? And for this disgusting male misogynist who you call a star, please, he's nothing but a dumb dimwit as far as we are concerned. He has objectified not just her or a women of his country, but to use this terminology to say a subtle cock champion of the world. Thank God we have protectors of India, and shame on you. I mean,
Rahul
shame
Ishwar,
on you and
Rahul
all
Ishwar.
the people who
Shawan,
are
let me
supporting
take
you
this.
today.
Shawan, let me
Siddharth
take this.
has
What is
only
more
done this for
problematic than the tweet
publicity.
itself is the
And
clarification.
there is no question of any kind
China-
of remorse being shown.
China,
other
let me
than
just-
apology.
Let me just use this opportunity to test the wokeness of Rahul Ishwar. You know, more troubling than the tweet is the clarification, Rahul Ishwar. No sense of regret. Forget about an apology. Can this even be allowed, Rahul Ishwar? Would you dare to even stand with Siddharth on this?
No, I don't think anybody in India will defend that remark per se. But his clarification where he pointed out that particular four-letter word was used in a different context, I believe we should take it. Siddharth is a very intelligent actor, very well respected down south.
Please,
I don't think he would be class enough to use such words.
Today.
You know, yeah, no. I'm being very honest.
Rahul Ishwar, then did you tweet seeking an apology from Siddharth, for God's sake? Did you seek an apology from Siddharth by tweeting?
Ever.
He belongs to the national lobby. He dislikes Modi. We all know it.
And this
But when he issues a clarification,
this is not the Prime Minister of India is not an individual. It is an institution.
Absolutely. I believe every right-wing Indian, beyond left or right, should stand with Saina Nawal. Saina Nawal in his opinion regarding Prime Minister, because he's our Prime Minister. Beyond left, right, or center, he's our Prime Minister. I believe everybody with their own opinion.
Karuna Gopal, if I can also bring you in. Karuna Gopal, if I can bring you in right now. Karuna. Shana, let me also give a chance to Karuna Gopal. You know what I find very surprising. What I find is very surprising is that any celebrity that has basically come in defense whenever they've spoken about any national issue, they have been criticized by that same very lobby. Today, they have basically crossed the limit.
Okay. Well, I think the entire nation is angry, but I look at Siddharth with a lot of sympathy, pity. He needs all the sympathies in the world because this gentleman has some mental health issue. You go to his timeline, Twitter timeline, you will find delusions of grandeur. You'll find delusions of persecution. Grandeur in the sense he's blowing his own trumpet, coming out with a poetic language. The other way, he is looking at persecution. In fact, one of his latest tweets says that the entire box office numbers are fudged. All the countries, entire countries' box office numbers are fudged. He seems to have lost touch with reality. And he thinks that by opposing big people, by calling Modi ji names, he is going to shoot up in his popularity. Okay. Now, one important thing is he needs medical attention for the simple reason maybe there is suboptimal.
Madhuvanti, let me take this to Syed Asad Abbas. Syed Asad Abbas, you know, this is problematic at two levels. One, I see hate for Prime Minister. Now, that's something by itself not understandable. You know, he's Prime Minister of the country, having won 2 elections with massive mandates, and never before mandates. And 2, this is problematic at the level of misogyny and cancel culture that Siddharth is practicing through that tweet. And the brazenness with which he comes out with a clarification, with no shred of apology, not a hint of regret.
Absolutely.
Syed Asad Abbas, would you stand with that?
Abhishek Sahab, first and foremost,
he's your Prime Minister. She is India's Padma Bhushan. She is India's Padma Shri. She is India's Khel Ratna.
Definitely. Abhishek Saab, there are no two ways about it. I completely agree with your point, Abhishek Saab. So does Shawan Saab. The fact of the matter we need to understand here is that very simple. If today live on Republic TV debate, if we are calling out all those misogynistic comments, we must also call out a PM Modi who said Jersey cow to Sonia Gandhi, PM Modi who said 50 crore ki girlfriend to Shashi Tharoor, PM Modi who...
Come on, Syed Asad Abbas, this cancel culture, this he said, she said.
This is ridiculous.
Syed Asad Abbas, this whataboutery, please, for God's sake, are you in any manner going to defend what Siddharth has done today
Argument.
in the name of this whataboutery, where Modi said something like that. He said
Madhuvanti,
something
if
like
you can
that.
also come in. Madhuvanti, if you can also come in.
Am I going to give you a list of what all has been said about the Prime Minister
Abhishek,
in the last
Syed
20 years? Should I give you a list of what he has been called? Have you seen what happened just 3 days back?
Syed Abbas has this habit of somewhere down the line twisting it. Madhuvanti, just come in, because at the end of the day, what sort of a message are we sending across? The actor comes up with such sort of a lame sort of a.
Absolutely.
Madhuvanti, if you can come in. Syed Abbas, let me also bring in others, and then you can respond. You know, you bring in the politics a little later. Madhuvanti, please come in. You have an icon like Saina Nehwal being targeted, and look at the graciousness of Saina Nehwal, even her father, the way they have essentially responded to the response, the so-called response of actor Siddharth. That's gracious to say the least.
It is gracious to say the least, and I know Siddharth because he's from the South, he's from our film fraternity, and I feel ashamed today that he has even had the gumption to make such a statement. And what hurts me the most is, after having made the statement, the attitude with which the nonchalant reply has come across, as though nothing has gone wrong, and it was just a passing line that he, put up on Twitter. And what is his problem with the Prime Minister of this country? I really want to ask Siddharth this question on national television. Siddharth, the nation wants to know, what is your problem?
Rahul Ishwar, why don't you respond to that? Rahul Ishwar, why don't you respond to that? It seems that someone is blinded by the hate for the Prime Minister. You know, Rahul Ishwar, no, it appears there is a section that have been blinded by the hate against the Prime Minister.
Absolutely.
So they believe that they can pass off anything as so-called comic. You have so-called stand-up comedians also passing statements about the country. Now you have actors in that making this sort of a lewd comment.
Yeah, our PM Modi ji is the Prime Minister of the largest democracy in the world. You may have hundreds difference of opinion, but that's an institution. Like Biju Patnaik ji said, it's an institution and that needs to be respected. And I think, Saina Nehwal ji is the right thing by saying that. But the point here is, I don't think Siddharth, being an intelligent person, will use such a wrong word to mention anything else.
Person speaks like this.
I don't think it was sexual innuendo.
Madhuvanti,
you could have clarified.
are you then going to tweet yourself that Siddharth should come out with a more forthright, unconditional apology?
I have already done it.
And are you going to demand that Twitter take action against Siddharth? We see Twitter taking action against this handle, that handle.
Well, I've seen Twitter take action against Arnab. Why is Twitter not taking action against Siddharth? What is Twitter doing?
Are we not taking it out of context?
Do you demand that?
Are we not taking
do you demand that?
I do.
Are you going to demand that? Rahul Ishwar, are you going to demand that?
Ma'am, are we not taking it out of context?
Support Siddharth, or make it look like it's no big deal, to give us an answer.
Can we say that there is a consensus? Can we say that there is a consensus that it is the nation's mind that Siddharth should come out with an unconditional apology and not this brazen cockiness that he has shown by way of a clarification?
Absolutely. And if he doesn't do it, it has to be done by force. It's as simple as that.
Ma'am, are we not taking his comments out of context?
China NC, it's your government that connects with Twitter and these platforms. Is your government not going to ask for action? Is your government not going to take action?
There are 2 points I want to make. May I just please come
Let China NC and Karuna Gopal take that. Their government.
I have just silently listened to everyone. Please allow me a rebuttal. 2 things. Obviously, our government will request Twitter. The NCW themselves, Rekha ji has asked Twitter to not just make sure he removes this derogatory comment, but also pulls him off Twitter. That is one part. Rahul Ishwar keeps on saying that, Siddharth is an intelligent man. My dear friend Rahul, I want to ask you, which intelligent man uses a word like cock, which I do not even want to use on national television, which is used as a slang for a male sexual organ. And then by tongue twisting and making this kind of comments on an accomplished woman of this country is not just derogatory in nature. It shows you the crass, sexist, awfully debauched mindset of Siddharth. The National Commission for Women has sought action against him, and I think the serious offence. The Maharashtra DGP has also been seeked with this FIR with relation to what he has said, and this outrageous commentary needs to be condemned in totality. It's not a competition, no whataboutery as to who said what, and do understand this is the Prime Minister of your country. This is an institution.
As also action by your government, China. As also action by your government.
10 seconds if I'm allowed, please. 10 seconds if I'm allowed. Okay, for those who've not understood the tweet,
Syed Abbas, don't you think, like so many times you would have had the placard gang. You've had in so many issues, time and again, the placard gang. Where is that placard gang today? Why is it that you will not be asking for, an apology, at least the least that one can ask from Siddharth?
Shawan Sahib, definitely. I will answer you accordingly. The fact of the matter, allow me 20 seconds.
Karuna Gopal, action also.
Okay, let me tell you. The fact of the matter here is that, sir, none of you have understood his tweet. Cock and bull means bluff. He's calling out the bluff. Shuttlecock champion means bluff champion. So don't insinuate.
Syed Asad Abbas,
that is all it is. He's calling
This is outrageous. This is outrageous. Syed Asad Abbas, how can you even be playing with words on this? For God's sake, Narendra Modi is your Prime Minister as well. China NC is a national icon.
Cock and bull means
she is someone who has brought pride to the country. She is someone who has brought good name to the country.
Abhishek Saab, BJP is targeting him because he's a critic of the government.
Well, Syed Asad Abbas, Rahul Ishwar, if Syed Asad Abbas, Rahul Ishwar, Syed Asad Abbas, Rahul Ishwar and Madhuvanti, if you really mean what you have, the position that you have taken on the debate, you should be asking Twitter to take action. You should be asking Siddharth to come out and apologize unconditionally to the Prime Minister and to China. And more importantly, you should be asking China and Karuna Gopal, your government, to take action also if Twitter fails. I think this is the mind of the nation today on what Siddharth has done. And we will continue to track developments on this story, viewers, and we come back tomorrow again with the debate with Arnab Goswami. Thank you so much for watching.